We've all seen different galleries on the web, different photo galleries, image galleries, and that's what we're going to make today. What we want to do first is open Adobe Bridge. And by the way, there are lots and lots of different gallery creators out there. It's just that Adobe has one built into the CS Suite, so I think we'll use that one. Open up Bridge, and the first thing you want to do is locate your gallery of images, and I found some here from a trip that I took to San Diego. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to Option select different images that I want to place into my gallery. A bunch of different cacti that I took pictures of. And I think that's about it. Maybe we'll put that one in there. Okay, so we've got these different images, and if your workspace doesn't look like mine, what you want to do is go up to Window and go down to Workspace Output, and that's going to allow you to create the gallery. Okay. From this place, what we can do is, first of all, you might want to know that there's a PDF creator, which is very nice for creating different galleries and just having them as downloadable PDFs. But if you want the gallery to be active on your website, then you're going to use this Web Gallery button here. And there's a bunch of different templates that are available to you. You can go through different ones. I'll select Lightroom Flash Gallery for now. And it creates a template that will, depending on all these parameters that are here, which are already preset, and we can adjust them later if we want. Like for instance, the slideshow size, maybe I don't want it to be that big. Maybe I only want it to be 600 pixels. I could go ahead and do that. And gallery image size, same thing. We can set up the different parameters here. Quality, the layout, we'll go with left. And let's see what else we can do. Color palettes, we can set those up. I'm going to leave everything pretty much as is for right now. And then, first of all, what we could do is just test it and see if we like it just by hitting Refresh Preview. It's going to give you a preview of what the gallery is going to look like. And here it is. It's got the options to click through, or to play it, or to make it full screen, which is kind of nice. Or actually, that's the slideshow there. So those are some options. Now, let's say that I kind of like it, but I'd like to have these buttons somewhere else, or have them at different size. Maybe they're too small. Maybe I want to bump up the size of that. I can go ahead and do that. Refresh the preview again. And then all of a sudden my thumbnails are a little bit bigger. Alright, so I mean, it's pretty easy to just go through and make your determination as to what you want your gallery to look like. Next step would be to name it, and I'm going to, well, I have it already named, but I'll name it again. Call it my photo gallery, or my cactus gallery, that's it. Save location, I want to stick it somewhere, so go ahead and browse. And I think I'll just put mine on the desktop for now. And I'm going to make a new folder for it. And I'll call it Test Gallery 3. Create it. There it is. And I click on Open. It's going to open it up. Now it's open, but I need to still save it here. Let me go ahead and save it right now. Here it goes. It's processing all the images. It created the gallery. Click OK. And now what I want to do is go to the desktop here a minute. And so I'm going to hide all. Hide Bridge anyway. This is where we're going to eventually stick it. There's my Test Gallery 3. You see what it looks like. Open it up, and it's got my cactus gallery inside of it, and it's got an index page, and also this resources page, which is all the flash files, the images. It actually created large, medium, and thumbnail size images and did all of this for us. I'm going to go ahead and I'll preview it in a browser by going to Open with Safari. And this would be what my gallery would look like online. Okay. So there we go. And we can go through and see that it works. Now, we're eventually going to want to put this onto a website in its own container or in its own div tag. So that'll be the next step. So we've created our gallery. The next step is going to be to take our gallery and place it into a Dreamweaver document.